So, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back again. And yes, I am here with the most awaited video, Scalenut versus Phrase. Yeah, we have a very cool discussion. At least for me, it's very interesting. And it's about AI writing tool. That are two of them in front of us. One of them is Scalenut, and another one is Phrase, right? So today we are going to compare them both in terms of features, and it's going to be very interesting. So tell me in the comment box what you feel about these two tools, if you have, and if you have tried, or whatever the thoughts you want to share, you can share inside the comment box. So let's proceed. So first of all, what I would like to do is that we will have a quick look at the main pages of both of the tools website, and we will have an overview, right? So first of all, the point I would like to share over here is that both are SEO plus AI writing tool, right? You can say that content optimization tool also. Okay, so both of them are Skillnet and Freeze. Are this is the main tool. We can say that these both are SEO AI writing tool. Okay, now when we narrow it down and when we come to the type of the text content, right? Here, I would like to share that Phrase does not have short form content, right? It only has long form content generation. But yes, I can say that you can write a small form of content in a very creative way with Phrase also, without naming it that this is the ad copy, or let's say this is the uh, you can say social media post or meta descriptions and all that. But that is not our today's topic, and if possible we will discuss that in the next video, or let's say at another time, right? So both are the SEO and AI writing tool, but we have long form content in both, that is Scalenut versus and Phrase. But in short form content, okay, in short form content only Scalenut has. Yeah, in this when it comes to short form content, we have another tool called Peppertype, and it only has short form content and does not have long form content. So maybe I will make another video on this, that in comparison of both Scalenut and Peppertype's content generated to short form content generated on both. So tell me in the comment box if you want that or not. Okay. So in the case of short form content, Scalenut is ahead of Phrase, and Phrase does not have till now. First of all, I would like to say you that I have a Phrase paid account with SEO add-on. Okay. So we are not testing those tools live right now, but maybe. Okay. So one more thing that what I would like to share over here is that Scalenut is mainly made up of three parts, that is SEO Assistant, that is long form AI and SEO Intelligence, and AI Copywriter, and Managed Marketplace. Managed Marketplace is that you can hire the top talent inside the industry for your creative works, right? It can be any type of, we'll not go inside there because that's not our topic now. So one of them is this long form content, and the AI Copywriter, which has multiple short form contents like these, right? Online review generator, bullet points, blog title creator, and on and on and on. Okay, so in this part, at least short form content, Scalenut wins and Phrase is behind, right? And let's move ahead to Phrase. Have one more additional feature, as we can see over here. Okay, it has two main tools inside Phrase, that is Phrase Content and Phrase Answers. Now Phrase Content, we see that what phrase content do, we enter a keyword. Now we can scrape do research on the search engine result pages and create outlines and create content, and write it with with the help of AI writer, and we can at the same time optimize it for the search engine, right? Now what is Phrase Answers? Let me show you. Let me take to the page of phrase answer, and we will see what it does. But that's not related to, I think at least that's not related to SEO. But I may be wrong because I'm not that expert in SEO that I can answer this. But yes, when when a user lands on your blog and you have your own search engine to help your visitor to find the most relevant content he is looking for, that's really a good thing. So it's, you can say, like an AI chatbot. Okay, so what it does, it you can add a search, you can add a search engine to your site, phrase AI chatbots and phrase answers API. I haven't tested it genuinely, right? I will say, honestly, say that I haven't tested this feature of phrase till now. But let's see, that's not relevant also for now to discuss with Scalenut, because Scalenut does not have any of such features. So as phrase has this, we will add it. Okay, so we will add automation on getting answers on content of blog. In this, phrase has and Scalenut does not have. I don't know what you think about this particular feature of phrase. You can share your view inside the comment box. Okay, so let's move ahead. And these were the basic, you can say, overview of the tools, that what each of them has and what doesn't. Okay, so now let's dive inside. So time to dive inside the tool, right? So this is Scalenut from inside, and this is phrase. Okay, so what we should do is that first of all, we will see in terms of feature that how this work. Okay, so first of all, if I need to create any content in phrase, I have this document parts, I have the templates parts, which I where I can create my custom templates of content types, different content types. And first of all, before start writing, I would like to build an outline of my content. And before that, I need to do a keyword research. So maybe you have Ahrefs, or maybe you have SEMrush, or maybe you have WriterZen or any other tool, and you can do your keyword research inside that tool. And you have to enter one keyword that you want to target with the content that you are going to write now. So let's pick up any one keyword. Okay, how to become a blogger, or let's say how to start a blog in India. Okay, so what I would do is that, what is this? I can modify my keyword such as what, how, why. So what we should do is that how, maybe. Okay, so but here I would like to select my country of India as I'm going to target it, right? So India, or let's keep it just how to start a blog, right? So what should I do? So this is what I got in phrase. What it has done is that, this is the keyword how to start a blog in India, has 1300 of the search volume per month, right? Monthly search volume. It's monthly search volume. So this keyword has, I think that's good enough to start, because uh, I'm not sure I will continue with this. Let's check this one, right? How to start a blog. Okay, so it has 90,000 searches per month, but definitely it's going to be difficult to rank on this particular keyword. I need to, outrank all of the high level competitors that are ranking on this volume, right? So what I would like to do is that let's proceed with this. Now I have a complete overview, and I have some of the long tail keywords of this also that I can pick up, right? So how to start a blog online. This has 320 search volume. So I can create multiple content also on base of this. How to start a blog in India, right? So what we will do is that we will keep it simple like this. Hmm. how to start a blog in India. Okay, so guys, let's move ahead, and here we have all of the questions that people are looking for in related to this particular keyword. That how do I start a blog? How do bloggers get paid? So what I would like to do is that I would like to create a outline right over here. So let's start picking the outline phrases from here. And as you can see, these all are the questions that are scraped from people also ask section of Google search engine, and these are the questions from Quora, right? And here we have questions from Reddit, and yeah, that's all over here. Okay, so what I would like to do is that this is a really good topic, but for now this is not my topic to how to start a blog for free. Okay, so how to start a blog, this is our main, and after that we will have an introductory paragraph. After that we will have an introductory paragraph in the beginning of the article, and okay, so after that I can go inside this one and see. Okay, what guys, just a second, and how to start a blog. So this is the outline feature. What I can do is that I can create outline, such as I can pick up some of these questions, uh, but these are not related to this creating a blog, because let's see. Yeah, we can add a part of it, that how to start a blog for free. That can be a part of this article, because we are just writing content on how to start a blog, and I think we had picked some wrong topic over here, but okay. So what we will do is that we will just hit on the create content button. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just creating the content button over here, and here also I have multiple options inside. So, how to start a blog? We have how do I start a blog for free? How do bloggers get paid? How can I start blogging as a beginner? How do bloggers really make money? Okay, so these are, and now here what we have inside phrase is that we have multiple things, right? So, what this feature is called outline, right? So, now let's dive inside the Scalenut, right? How to start a blog. Okay, but we selected their India, so we will put that also. Okay, so now it will be generating a report for us, so let them generate the report. Now let's come back to the phrase over here. Now we have top 20 results processed over here in front of us. Now we have multiple things over here, such as this is the top ranking article, how to start a successful blog in 2021. Okay, so how to start a successful blog in 2021. So these are not relevant to our topic, so we will just remove this, and okay, remove this also. Okay, let's remove this also for the time, right? So this is our main topic, how to start a blog, as you can see on my screen, right? Now we will pick up the sub headlines over here. Okay, so we will analyze the top rankings inside the SERP, right? And that is how to start a successful blog. And this is a story like article. Okay, so I will skip this and see another thing. Okay, so this is more relevant, right? So I will pick this up. Think about why you are creating a blog, and I just have to hit the copy button, and this will be here, right? So what I will do is that I will mark it H2. Okay, pick a niche for your blog and narrow down your. Okay, it's okay. Okay, and then yeah, choose a blogging platform. Okay, then in this we can list multiple platforms like WordPress or Blogger, right? And we can discuss about more about multiple platforms, right? Okay, so this is just an outline, guys, and we are creating over here. So like this, we can go in this direction of creating a 6 simple steps, right? So this is just for an idea. If you want me to create a detailed full article live inside video, you can tell me in the comment box. Now we will see over here, Scalenut is still creating a report on how to start a blog. So meanwhile, let's play with it for a long time. Okay, what I would like to do, and before beginning, a blogger needs a domain name, right? So after picking up a domain name, let's see if anyone has written on this also. So this is a very long form article of 18,000 words from ryrob.com. Okay, and it got 1,200 backlinks, right? And it's very detailed, right? What is a blog? How, should I start a blog? Can I start a blog? How much does it cost to start with a blog? Okay, follow these steps to learn how to. So this is very long form article. Okay, and let's see that this the first one is of 7,000 words, second one is of 8,000 words, third one is of 8,000, fourth one again 6,000. So these are, and this one is 18,000 words. It's so detailed, right? So if you want to rank on this particular keyword, as I said, it has 90,000 search volume per month. Then it's really going to difficult in to outrank these. So we have to narrow it down, such as how to start a blog in India, right? And what I will do is that Scalenut is still creating. What I will do is that I will pick up this keyword and just hand it over to Google. Let's see. Okay, so here are the some data from Google in front of us. So I think I diverted the topic and I fall down in the real research of that particular topic. Okay. Okay. So what? Let's come again over here. Outline builder, because after we have in phrase, and let's open a previous report in Scalenut, right? Still it's creating on this particular, but Scalenut does not have outline builder, guys. Till now, maybe they build in the future, guys, they are a funded company and they have to implement all, they have everything to implement this, right? So what we can do is that let's compare this side section. Here we have NLP terms, and NLP terms is missing in phrase. Let's see. Yeah, they also have in this one. They tell it topic score. We have to add these all NLP terms inside, and this is question section over here, related over here. Let's see what it brings. Competitions and questions. It has three things over here. One of them is NLP terms, competitions, and questions. And phrase has uh, top results means competitions. Topic score means NLP according to phrase. It has questions. This one is related, such as wiki how. Okay. So what we can do is that we can process link. Click on process link and let's see what happens over here. Okay, so it scraped its article such as sample blog post about this article and all and all. Okay, so this one, it scraped full content from these things, right? This keyword. Okay, so this one is missing inside Scalenut, and the outline builder is not present inside Scalenut for right now. Okay, now what we will do is that let's see if the our report is ready over there or not. Yeah, report is ready. So first of all, we will have a look at report. Okay, so what it does is that it has scraped the top results and taken out the NLP terms out of that and the hashtags and all of the details of top page statistics, competition section, themes, common questions, citations, right? And okay, so it's pretty simple on one page, but what a phrase does is that phrase show you everything over here, right? But they also had created a separate page and different tabs of competitions like themes and questions and citations. Okay, so I think it may be useful so for some people to have such a report on one separate page, but I think I prefer while creating an outline I have on the sidebar. Also, Scalenut also has in the sidebar section also. So let's explore over here. Okay, so here I have competitions in front of us, and we can explore. Let's click on expand, and we have everything from H1 H2 in front of us, and we can explore it. I think guys, this these all tools can really put postpace out of use, I think, right? Because it can put it out of use, because what it does is that it just create outline and helps you write article with just NLP terms, right? I don't know whether if they will add SEO optimization also, but these were the main features. I think if we missed anything in terms of features, let's see that the we missed the report part in phrase, right? So let's add this, guys, though I think it's not important, that important, because if I'm getting besides my content on this side section, that it's enough. Okay, but still let's add it, and let's move to the editor part over here. And yeah, so these were the basic features comparison between phrase and Scalenut. And what do you say, guys? I know it's very basic, but I as I chose to go practical while showing you, it took some long, but this is the result that we got in front of us, such as both our SEO tool. It has long form and short form both. Scalenut has, right, and phrase also has, but short form there is only inside Scalenut. And answers is like chatbot, right? Chatbot, we will say chatbot. Okay, That's not needed actually. Okay, so that's all, guys. Tell me in the comment box what you feel about both of these tools, and should I create a full article live on the video in the next video on particular topic, and shall we test both of the tool or and compare both articles? Thank you.